Hi, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching Apps in Charlie. This is a short version. I'm gonna do a throwback. I have here with me a Hailu GT6, and it's been with me since November 2021. So if you're trying to find an audio in-ear buds or makers of earphones, I suggest you try Hailu, okay? Because this one, it's still working and the quality is still good. It's heavy on the bass, by the way. So this one, the GT6 from Hailu, it has 5.2 Bluetooth with it, and then codec AAC, and the driver is a 12 millimeter dynamic driver. Okay, quite large for its price point. So what else? You could use this, and if you leave your cell phone, it could, and then you walk away. It's still effective, no? Mga 10 meters na open space. At ano pa, 5.5 hours na single playback. Tas total battery life kasama yung charging case niya is 20.5 hours. So ito yun. Ayan. So ano pa? Yung charging niya, meron siyang charging port na USB-C type charging. Tapos charging time ng earbuds is 1.5 hours. Tapos yung case niya naman, 2 hours yung charging. Yung single earbud, ang battery capacity niya ay 35 milliamps, while yung charging case is 310 milliamps. Okay, so unfortunately, wala na to sa market. No, end of life na siya, pero maganda pa rin. Pero may papakita ako sa inyo ng mga available sa Lazada. And this would, ang pinakamahal nila so far sa Lazada is 1,200 to 1,300 na bagong model. So ito yung mga bagong models ng Hailu. Punta lang kayo sa Lazada or sa Shopee. This one sa Lazada site, ito 1,300. Yung bago nila ngayon, the Mori Pro wireless. At meron din silang medyo mura, 999 na HQ5. And then, meron naman silang another version na yun, ito, yung Airfree BT 5.4 na speaker. And this one,